how to create a YouTube channel. So if you want to create a YouTube channel, then first of all you can open up your YouTube application and make sure to sign into your YouTube. So you can go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have your profile on the upper side, right? You can simply tap on that, and after that here it will take you to create channel option. So here on the first you have to you have to take a photo, or you can simply change your photo, and then you have to enter your name, and after that you have to enter your YouTube handle. And after entering all of that information, you can simply tap on create channel. So that's it. That's how you create a channel on YouTube. And now you can again go for your profile, and here you will have your channel. You can go for settings, which is on the upper right, and here you will have your channel. So that's it. That's how you create a channel or create a YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.